Sahih Al-Bukhari 3231, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha, that she asked the Prophet sallallaho wasallam, have you encountered a day harder than the day of the battle of Uhud? The Prophet sallallahu wasallam replied, your tribes have troubled me a lot, and the worst troubled was the trouble on the day of Aqaba, when I presented myself to Ibn Abdul Yal'il bin Abdul Qalal, and he did not respond to my demand, so I departed overwhelmed with excessive sorrow and proceeded on and could not relax till I found myself at Krant Salib, where I lifted my head towards the sky to see a cloud shading me unexpectedly. I looked up and saw Jibreel alayhi salam in it. He called me saying, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has heard our peoples saying to you and what they have replied back to you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent the angels of the mountains to you so that you may order him to do whatever you wish to these people. The angel of the mountains called and greeted him and then said, O Muhammad sallallaho alaihi wasallam, order what you wish. If you like, I will. At Al-Akshabin, i.e. two mountains, fall on them. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no, but I hope that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will let them beget children who will worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone and will worship none besides him. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah hafiz.